Hello again, and now we're gonna talk about average rate of change from a table of data. And what we have population of Riverdale City between 1990s and 2010 in our table, and we have to find average rate of change on given time intervals. First of all, we have to start from that our basic formula for the average rate of change is f of b minus f of a, or you can say in other words, change in output over b minus a, or change in input. Okay, and this we have change in output over change in input. This is our average rate of change, and let's apply this formula. And we have to find the first one, average rate of change between 1990s and 1992, and we have change in output, which is in 1992 is 60 minus in 1990s 55, over change in input, which is 1992 minus 1990. And what we have 5 over 2, or 2.5. Now 2.5, what is this? Now we have to remember always use units, and our units just right here, output in population of hundreds of people and input in years. And just let's follow our calculations. It's right here. On the top we had change in output, which was measuring in population in hundreds of people. Just put it hundreds of people over, and input, our input was year, just plug in there. And now what we have 2.5 hundreds of people a year. What does this actually mean? It means that our population is increasing by 250 people a year. But when it's happening between 1990s and 92, and it's average, because we don't know exactly. It might be that in 1991 it didn't increase at all, and in 1992 it increased by 250. But in these 2 years our population was increasing on average by 250. And next one, time interval 1995-1992. Again, change in output, which is 68 for 1995 minus 60 in 1992, over change in input 1995 minus 1992, and we have 8 over 3 is approximately 2.7. Again, our units, hundreds of people over year. But what does this actually mean? It's again 270 people a year. Okay, and to make this video shorter, I will just include my answers for these in time intervals. If you want, you can check yourself and make like previous calculations. And it will be now. Next, we have to compare decade of 90s and first decade of our century. And decade of 90s, we have to compare our average rate of change. Decade of 90s right here, and what we see that our population is increasing by 250, but next by 270 people a year, next by 300, and 300 again. It means what was happening, our population was increasing, and increasing was faster and faster, or you can say it's increasing with increasing rate. Now, since 2000 to 2010, our average rate of change is actually much smaller than previous years, and 2005 to 2010 even smaller than previous one. What does this mean? It means our population is still increasing because it's positive, still increasing, but increasing slower. Or like in math we can say it's increasing with decreasing rate. Now, based on this information, we have to predict. Actually, it's the next question. How many people we're gonna have in 2013? To predict this, we're gonna just use our average rate of change between 2005 and 2010. It was 40 people a year. Now, in 2010, it was 900. Let me write it down right here. And it was 900 or 9,000, and our population was increasing by 40 people a year by average for the last 5 years. I mean 2005 to 2010. Now we can predict that it's gonna be kind of the same. The best prediction is 40 people a year, but for how many years? Because of 2013, it means for next 3 years. And what the population gonna be? It will be, here's 120 plus 9,000. We have 9,120 people. This is our prediction based on average rate of change between 2005 and 2010. And that's it. Thank you.